Hi guys! Today I am going to share you kung ang feeling ng pagiging pagiging teacher. Kasi ngayon, nag-apply ako sa isang they asked me to have demo class. So, yeah. So, mag-demo ako ngayon. So, tignan nyo na lang, kung ano yung gagawin ko. Basta. Ngayon, ito yung i-demo ko ngayong araw nito. So, ito lang naman. So, ang dali lang. Yun nga lang, pressure pa rin. Kasi alam mo na, siyempre matagal na akong hindi nagturo, almost a year na siguro. Actually, wala akong class dito. Nalilipat ang class kasi lang, siya, parang, iba yung mga parang, pinagawa ng mga anak ko. So, ayun, alam mo, medyo magura lang ko sa mga. So, ito yung mga class ko. Pero, kung lang nalagabili ko ng wow, pero medyo na siya. Great job! Ito, diba? Pero hindi ko nakakita ngayon kasi meron na ako prepare na EDD. Kung hindi mo alam guys, next time gagawa akong EDD para sa kahit sa mga ESL teacher. Soon, becoming an ESL teacher. Yung mga teacher na gusto magturo pero hindi nila alam kung saan sila kung namatay na. So, actually, meron na akong nito, pero hindi ko na siya ginagalaw. Pero ngayon kasi hindi ko na ako gagalawin ko na siya. Ayan. Ayan, teacher, what is your name? Yes. Ayan. Ang maganda lang kasi kung ESL teacher ka, ang ganda lang. Hindi na kailangan mag-effort na magpaganda o magsuot na yung so, nakashort ko, nakapajama ko lang. Video coffee, diba? Ayan siya din. This student guys, his name is Cyrus. Alright, so, and he is already in the class now. Yeah, pero magsa-start yung klase, 4:10. So, mamaya lang ako mapasok guys kasi alam mo na. Diba? 4:10 pa tapos, diba? Sige. So guys, hindi ko nakapakita kung ano yung lesson ko. Pero pinapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko mismo. Kung ano yung mga galawan ng teacher siya. Hindi ko marunong English guys ha. Pero susubukan natin. Naging ESL teacher ako for almost I think 3 years. Pero as an ESL teacher, hindi mo talaga masasabi magaling kang mag-English. Diba? Sometimes, it's depend upon your ano ba yun? Ano bang tawag doon? It's depend upon your basta yun. Yun yun. So, depende po talaga yan sa lakas ng loob. Yun, lakas ng loob. Diba? Kung malakas ang loob mo, hindi go ka na. Kung sila mo na, hindi talaga malakas ang loob mo, hindi, alis ko. Pero kung malakas ang loob mo why not try finding an ESL company? Kasi alam mo, especially kung halimbawa yung mga boss dito is hindi masyadong magaling ng English. I don't want to say it. Basta yun. Basta yun guys. Tingnan niya ako. So, naiinis na siya guys. Naiinis na siya. Nagtatawa ko sa ginagawa niya. Di ba sabi? 1 minute na lang. Nabuhaan ako ma? Wala ma. Karoon namin klase ko. Karoon ako dito ma. Kaya nagagawa ko sa video kay vlog ko ni Gashong ka. So, ayan na guys. Wow, sure. No, sure. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Oh, what happened? Oh, you found me. Hello. Can you hear me now, sir? Hello. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, good evening. Can you say good evening? Sure. Oh, hi. Good evening and welcome to my class. All right. So can you hear and see me? Okay. All right. Can you say? You can say like, yes, I can. Okay. Again, one more time. Say, yes, I can. Sure, sure. Yes, I can. Very good. All right. Thank you so much. All right. So by the way, I am Teacher Cheryl. I am Teacher Cheryl. 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 Okay, what is your name? Teacher. Okay, very good, Cyrus. Nice one. Can you say, my name is Cyrus? Sure. My is Cyrus. Okay, very good. Okay, one more time, Cyrus. My name is Cyrus. Very good. All right, well, thank you so much, Cyrus. Because of that, I'm going to give you, wow, that's a lot. Okay, Cyrus. Okay, before we start our lesson, Cyrus, let's sing a song first, okay? Let's sing, okay? All right, okay, and 3, 2, 1. Follow, teacher. Every day I go to school, I meet my friend, and we all say, hello, hello, how are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? Hello, hello, how are you? You can sing, I'm great. How about you? How about you? I want to play. I meet new friends, and we all say, hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you want to play? Hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you want to play? All right, okay, well, thank you so much, Cyrus. Do you like the song? Do you like the song? Can you say, yes, I do? Sure, yes. Very good. All right, thank you so much, Cyrus. Okay, Cyrus, if you do good in class, I'm going to give you rewards, okay? Look, what did you see? Oh, what's that, Cyrus? What's that? Oh, all right, monster is a monster. Very good. Okay, if you do good in class, we can feed our monster. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, Cyrus, let's go to our lesson. All right. Ooh, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. All right. Okay. Teacher is ready to. So today we are going to learn short A. Can you say A? Short. Very good. Moment. A. All right. Okay. Now, wait. Can you tell me, Cyrus, what letter is this? 这是什么? Okay. It's letter A. A. Very good. Thank you so much, Cyrus. Okay. Look. 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 Oh, what is this, Cyrus? 这是什么? Oh, very good. All right. Can you say apple? A is for apple. A is for apple. Is for. Very good. Okay, let's eat the apple. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to eat the apple again. All right. Okay, thank you so much, Cyrus. Okay, that's apple. All right. Okay, one more time. A. Apple, apple, apple. Yay! Very good. All right. Now look, Cyrus. Oh, can you do this? Can you feed your monster? Go, Cyrus. Can you do that? Ooh. Can you touch it? No. Oh, which one do you like? Which one do you like? Chicken. Okay, all right. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, okay. I'm going to give you. Yummy. Okay, and yummy. All right, very good, Cyrus. All right, now let's go. Okay, listen, point, and repeat. Look at this. Oh, 这是什么? Cat. Wow, very good. Meow. Cat. Very good. Do you have cat? Do you have a cat? No. Yes? No. Cat? You? Okay, all right. Okay, again, one more time. Say cat. Very good. All right. What letter is this? 这是什么? A. All right, can you say A? Cat. Cat. Very good. All right. Okay, now look at this one. What's this? Oh, ant. Very good. Yeah, that's correct. Say ant. Ant. Very good. Hmm. Hmm. What is this? 这是什么 Can you say yuck? Yuck. Very good. Oh, shout louder. Louder. That's too loud. All right, very good. Okay, that's yuck. All right, now look. Very good. Axe. You say it again. Axe. All right, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, now look at this one. Listen and read and then write. 这是什么 Axe. 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 Again, one more time. Axe. 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 Very good. Now look, can you write axe? Right. Right. Right axe. Okay, one more time. Again. Right. Again. Axe. Go. Wow, very good. All right, very good. Okay, very good. Oh, wow. Very good. All right, very good. What's this? This is什么 And very good. Yay. All right. Okay, now let's move on. Can you write? That's right. Right. Wow. Very good. Good job, Cyrus. Okay, you're good at writing, Cyrus. Okay, how about this one? Yeah. Okay, good job. Can you write? Okay, very. What is that? Okay. All right. Okay. Wow, better. Thank you so much. All right. Now look. Let's make our monster eat. Okay. Let's make them eat. Okay. I'll give you prize. And this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. Yummy. Very good. Thank you so much. All right, now let's move on. Look. Hi. You're big. All right. Oh, look. Cyrus, let's read, okay? All right, okay. Let's see. I see. Aunt. And. Wow. All right, can you read it again? Okay, clearly. All right, one more time. And 3, 2, 1. See. And. Oh, very good. Very good. All right. Listen and learn. Can you tell me? 这是什么 What is it? Ram. Again. Ram. One more time. Okay. Ram. Yeah. Good job. All right. Now let's read. Ram. Wrong. Okay, one more time. All right, okay. Read with me. Ram. Wrong. Okay, very good. Okay, can you say ram? Very good. Thank you so much, Cyrus. Okay, now let's move on here. Listen, point, and repeat. What's this? 这是什么 Ram. What's this? Jam. Yeah, very good. Do you like jam? Yes? No. Do you like jam? Yes? Say, I like jam. Okay, one more time. Say, I like jam. Very good. Wow. All right. Okay. Look. What's this? Yum. Very good. What's this? Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now let's move on. Listen and circle the ones that rhyme. Can you do that? Circle the ones that rhyme. Like for example, no, 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 no. Okay, all right. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, like for example, look. This one is, what's this? No. Uh-uh. Yeah, yeah, this is jam, and this is yam, yam, and this one is bull, bull. One. Okay, all right. Look, jam and yam are rhyme. Okay, no bull, no bull. Okay. Yes, no. Okay, number two, number two, number two, number two. Look. What is this? Ah, Dam, dam. What's this? Ram. No, no. Okay. All right. Look. This is ram. Ram. And this one is cat. Cat. Okay. Dam. Ram. Cat. Cat is not rhyme. Okay. No, no. So it must be dam and ram. Yeah. Dam and ram. Okay. Next. What's this? Jam. What's this? Dam. 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 Yeah, all right. This one is yam. And this one is axe. Yeah, axe. Where are the ones that rhyme? Can you... Yeah, that's axe. Can you tell me where are the one that rhymes? Circle. Circle. Jam and... Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. All right, well then, thank you so much, Cyrus, but time is up. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you next time. Yun lang. Problem. So, medyo tagal pa yung bata. Pag-understand natin. Pero, you know, he can write and he can read. But not totally a good reader. Pero sa age natin, magkailan sila ng anak ko. So, okay siya. Yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button below para lang updated sa mga videos.